Saving money on Geo recharge can be achieved through several strategies. Choose the right plan. Okay, analyze your usage patterns and select a plan that best fits your needs. Okay, now Geo offers various prepaid plans and postpaid plans. So pick one that offers the most value for your usage. Take advantage of the offers. Keep an eye out on Geo's promotional offers, discounts, and cashback deals. Sometimes recharging through specific apps or during periods that can yield additional savings is very beneficial. Use Geo Money if you have Geo Money. Using it for recharges and sometimes provides discounts or cashbacks. All right, now combine recharges. So if you have family or friends on Geo, consider family plans that allow you to combine multiple numbers under one recharge. This can be more economical. Now, refer and earn. Use Geo's referral program to earn credits or discounts by referring friends and family. Look for long-term plans. Consider opting for long validity plans if they suit your usage. These often come with better value compared to shorter plans. And by using these strategies, you can effectively save money on your Geo recharges.